Somebody threatened me to put an acid on my face. I was crying, I was bursting with emotion, and I was literally with a hatred that because of this man, I'm getting all that.
Yeah, actually, मैं अरबाज के साथ में चल क्या रहा? I mean, do you really love him?
When you spend 30-40 days with someone, of course you get attached to that person. You spend like whole day, you're doing tasks, you're going home, you're holding hands and all that. But I would not call it love per se.
What about this Lisa? Is he engaged?
He is engaged. He's with this lady for 5 years, and this lady is everywhere posting on comments that he's very loyal to me and the show is scripted. Show is not scripted. Whatever he has done, it was not written on a script. Nobody told him to lift me up in the oracle and do all those gestures or give me that bracelet. Nobody told him. He did it by himself. He wants to create a controversy that leads him to Bigg Boss.
A lot of people had been accusing you about Shwet's parents.
So in one of the lives with Akriti, so in that particular live, I said that, he is the kind of a guy who...
What's up everyone? Welcome to the Linda Show. My name is Amal and आज है अपने साथ one of the strongest ex-roadies, Naira, and she is in Splitsvilla currently as well. She is in Splitsvilla 15 and there's a lot of things running around on the internet about her relationships. So she is out here. We also wanted to know from her itself, what's going on across a lot of rumors, a lot of questions that we have, and that's just what we're going to be asking you today. So are you excited first of all for the show?
I'm excited, but I don't know. I mean, whether I should be nervous about the spices or whether I should be nervous about the question.
I guess both.
Let's go then.
Okay, so this is Nagin ka Indian Bhoot Chulakya. You would have eaten this one. How's it taste?
Good. It's, I think, a little bitter, but not that spicy.
So, okay, starting with the first one. I guess instead of keeping it at the last, I wanted to keep it as the first one. Actually, मैं अरबाज के साथ में चल क्या रहा? I mean, do you really love him? And also one of the fact that कि अरबाज के Instagram में, he had been had been posting a lot of stuff about Lisa Bindra. But he's also your connection in Splitsvilla currently. So what is it going on?
Okay, long story. First of all, there is no love such thing because honestly, प्यार होने में time लगता है. You cannot just fall in love with somebody. And also this time I was guarded because of my experience that happened in roadies. But yeah, I mean, initially it started for the game. Like when I went inside, I mean, I was going ahead with Lakshya. I had no plans for Arbaz or anybody else, but it was Arbaz who initiated everything and who told me that he wants to play with me. And initially, I also told him that I'm not here to fall in love or to have any sort of love connection. But with time, the kind of efforts he was making for me, I felt like, sorry. So, with time, I felt like he's putting a lot of efforts for me.
That bracelet stuff.
First of all, it started from the dome. It wasn't shown on camera. Okay. He was giving me shawl because I was like literally shivering. So I was like, ये shawl से ठंड cover नहीं हो रही है. But the guy is like making gestures. It was sweet. I liked it. And then later on, he comes and talked to me. And then, we decided to play. And then the moment host asked that, are you a couple? He says yes. And I'm like giving his reaction. So I was like, maybe he's interested or maybe he's doing it for the game. But when the date started, the kind of things he was saying me that you are a brand, people do not value brand, I know how to take care of you, and the way he gave me bracelet. So initially I thought कि यार लेके आया होगा जो लड़की मिलेगी उसको दे देगा, but I knew that before me it was Chulbul, it was Kashish, and he hasn't given that bracelet to anyone else. So I felt like maybe I am somebody who is important to him. So with all these gestures that he was making, I felt like he's not a bad guy.
And he called you Sherni.
He called me Sherni, which I am. Okay, fine. But then I'm not with his efforts, I felt like I was feeling guilty that, maybe I'm not putting those efforts. He's the one who is doing it. So I shared this with my roommates that, I told them that I'm feeling bad that because of my past experiences, I'm so guarded that the guy is putting so many efforts. And I'm like literally, saying that, no, I don't want to fall for any guy again. So, and literally because of those efforts, I literally pulled my guards up and I was like, ठीक है यार पसंद कर लेते हैं एक बार वो जोन में आते हैं दोबारा. I think that was a mistake again, that I trusted someone and I realized that, I mean, we say that forget your past experiences, not everybody is same, but then again you fall for the same trap. So I think this is how it started. And when you spend 30-40 days with someone, of course you get attached to that person. You spend like whole day, you're doing tasks, you're going dome, you're holding hands and all that. So of course there was attachment, but I would not call it love per se, because somewhere inside I knew that there is no future ahead. Because honestly, I don't know whether I should put it aloud or not, but we have caste differences and we both were very clear about it that we do not have a future ahead. So what I had in mind was, with whatever days I have with this person, let's cherish those days, because this guy is making a lot of efforts.
And you kind of made the same expectation clear with him.
Yeah. We both were very clear that, we do not have like a future ahead, but whatever is happening in the game, it was more of understanding rather than saying it out loud. Because there was one incident that, I went to him and I said that, are you doing it for camera? Yeah. Because I wanted to make sure that I'm not again, falling for that trap.
Yep.
So he gets offended. He's like, if I was doing it for camera, why would I hug you and do all those things off camera? So I was like, I felt so bad that I'm again, having trust issues with someone, which is wrong, because he didn't do anything bad with me. So literally, I don't know whether it's a trap, whether it was his way of doing things. He literally made a bubble for me in which he made all those efforts, and he made me feel like, okay, I am doing everything for you. I felt guilty. I was like, okay, let's do it. And then what
about this Lisa? And now he, on Instagram, we can only see him, around with the Lisa Bindra.
Yeah.
And,
so I was not aware about this girl in the show, and in between.
Is he engaged?
He is engaged. As far as I have confirmed with the crew, as far as I have seen the comments. Yeah, that's what I mean. See, most of the people already have situationships, something going on. मेरा तो वो भी नहीं था, but लोगों का वो होता है तो समझ में आता है कि you are on a break. But you are with this girl for 5 years, as what I have searched and got to know, that he's with this lady for 5 years, and this lady is everywhere posting on comments that he's very loyal to me and the show is scripted. Show is not scripted. Whatever he has done, it was not written on a script. Nobody told him to lift me up in the oracle and, do all those gestures or give me that bracelet. Nobody told him. He did it by himself. And forget the things that he did, in front of the camera. Off camera also, the way he said that, I'm doing things for you. Everybody knew it. Like, everybody in the villa, I was not interested in him, but everybody in the villa told me that, he's like my sherni. If people would come to pitch, he would be like, मुझसे मत पूछो, ये मेरी शेरनी, इससे पूछो. So, उसने मुझे यहाँ रखा है. तो कहीं गलती से भी दिमाग में नहीं आता कि यार इसका कुछ engagement जैसा कुछ चल रहा है. And that lady has been talking to people. She's saying that somebody commented that Aika is married.
I heard about it. Yeah.
She replied yes. And then somebody said happy married life. She says thank you. So, I'm still not sure whether he's married or not.
But even I went through his one of the posts where he and Lisa was there, and someone asked him that, whether are you married or not. He's saying no, soon be.
Yeah.
So not sure, what's happening. But it's all, I don't know.
I think it's his defense. So it's my theory. I'm not sure whether it's right or not. So when show happened and everything, just got clear, and then later people had asked him, the other contestant. So he was just saying that, I too want to get married. I'll get married soon. So he was anyway making a story inside, after the show for the contestant.
So he was not vouching about you or for you in the villa?
No. So the thing is, after the show,
the show. Okay.
So after the show, he already had a theory that I'm gonna get married soon. So I feel there are two theories. Either he's engaged for sure. I've confirmed it from people.
Yep.
He's engaged for sure, because that girl also wear an engagement ring.
Yep.
So I'm pretty sure. And even I asked the crew, everybody who is surrounded with them. But he was already making a story that I'm gonna get married soon.
Yep.
So my assumption is either one story is that he's engaged and he's soon going to get married, and he was just making a defense for him that मेरा show के बाद हो गया या ऐसा हो गया. Or he wants to create a controversy that leads him to Bigg Boss, because I don't want to name it, but there are people who are in touch with that lady and also through comments and all that. And when this marriage thing came out, I feel like he's the one who has circulated it. It's just my assumption. I feel like, because see, why would anybody call me married out of all the contestants? Then somebody called him married at that time. It happened, I think, when the show came on air. Okay. Why did he clear at that time? Why did he lead to those rumors, for 2 months, and now he's clearing it? अगर तुम्हें लग रहा था तुम मैरिड नहीं हो और जब पहली बार न्यूज आई थी तभी जाके क्यों नहीं क्लियर किया लोगों को? अभी क्यों कर रहे हो? 2 महीने उस रूमर्स को बढ़ने क्यों दिया?
एंड आपको भी धोखे में रख रहा है, वहाँ पे भी धोखे में रख रहे हैं, तो आई मीन हाउ इज इट लाइक?
सी मेरा ऐसा है कि मुझे ना वैसा वाला उससे रेज नहीं है कि यार मेरे साथ बहुत गलत हो गया, बिकॉज समवेयर मतलब आई डिडंट like मेरे को ऐसा प्यार व्यार जैसा नहीं. ऑफ कोर्स देवर अटैचमेंट, देवर सर्टेन थिंग्स एंड आई थिंक इट्स रॉन्ग कि आप किसी भी कंटेस्टेंट के साथ ऐसा करो, चाहे आपके बीच में कुछ कनेक्शन ना भी हो. किसी को स्कैम करना, किसी को झूठ बोलना इज रॉन्ग. एंड प्लस मुझे मेरे से ज्यादा मुझे उस लड़की के लिए बुरा लगता है, बिकॉज मैं तो कुछ नहीं हूँ, मेरा तो कुछ भी नहीं है, बट दैट लेडी इज विथ हिम सिंस 5 years. And that lady is literally saying that he's loyal to me. I know my man's limit and all that shit. So imagine that, and she lives in Dubai.
Yep.
There, Jio Cinema doesn't work. So most of the things she's not able to see also.
Yeah.
So I mean, understand what is happening with that lady.
But I'm just thinking about you, like, you know, in spite of knowing all this thing, like, you know, you're like still very cool, and you know, I guess this is one of the biggest things about, you know, a good thing about you, that, you know, you've been so calm all this while. A lot of allegations have been made about you.
I've learned from my past mistakes. I think, you know, with me, it's like when everything happened in the previous show, I gave a lot, I spoke a lot, and still a lot of hatred came on my way. So now I understand that, you know, आप सच बोलो झूठ बोलो, जिसको बिलीव करना है वो करेगा, जिसको नहीं बिलीव करना है वो नहीं करेगा. एंड इसके साथ ना मेरा रेज उतना निकलता नहीं, जैसे लोग बोलते हैं कि वाई नायरा इज साइलेंट राइट नाउ. पहले शो में तो इतना सब कुछ किया, बट अंडरस्टैंड जब किया तो लोगों ने क्या बोला कि फेम के लिए कर रही है, फुटेज के लिए कर रही है. आई डिड नॉट गेट एनी फॉलोअर्स, मेरे अभी भी बहुत कम फॉलोअर्स. ऐसा नहीं कि मैंने बहुत फॉलोअर्स कमा लिए या मुझे कोई बहुत बड़ी अपॉर्चुनिटी मिल गई. जो मेरी सिचुएशन पहले थी वो अभी भी, और अगर मैं ग्रो कर रही हूँ तो अपनी पर्सनल लेवल की वजह से. ऐसा नहीं है कि वो फुटेज या फेम से कुछ मिला है, बट मेरे इमोशंस को फुटेज और फेम का नाम देके जो मेरे को इतना चीजें झेलनी पड़ी है, तो दिस टाइम, यू नो, आई वांट टू बी कैलकुलेटिव बिफोर रिएक्टिंग, बिकॉज मुझे नहीं चाहिए कि फिर से मेरे रिएक्शन पे यही बातें बनाई जाए. बिकॉज आई हर्ड दैट अरबाज इज सेइंग ऑन हिज लाइव दैट शी इज डूइंग इट फॉर फेम. आई न्यू इट. अगेन दैट सेम थिंग विल हैपन कि भाई मुझे, मतलब एक तो तुम खुद मेरी लाइफ में आओ, खुद एफर्ट्स लगाओ, एंड it's not me. Everybody can see that he has chosen me because I was a good performer.
Yep.
I didn't choose him. I did not even know who is he. And interesting part was he told me that before coming to the show, he was watching everything on YouTube.
Yeah.
That, you know, whosoever is coming, and he knew that Naira is coming. I mean, he made an assumption that just because my name is out loud there, and he has watched roadies, he has seen what has happened. So, you know, and he told me that when he was in the villa, he felt like there is no girl for me, and I felt like you're coming. You know, I mean, that's basic assumption. So, I don't know whether he planned it or whatever it is, but it was wrong.
So, are you guys, like, you know, till when we'll be able to see you guys together in the episode?
In the episode, that I cannot reveal.
Okay. Probably will it last long?
Let's see.
Okay, so thank you so much for that clarification. That is what we wanted to know. So yeah, we got your point of view. And are you ready for the next one?
Yeah, I forgot about the spice only in between the answers.
Yeah, that wasn't spicy answer although. Okay, so this one is Urban Platter ka Bhoot Chulakya. Again, a different version of Bhoot Chulakya. How's it?
Okay. Nothing spicy at all.
Okay. So the second important thing that I really wanted to ask you is about Sachin. Roadies mein Sachin called you disloyal. And abhi bhi, you know, we are able to see a lot of episodes jahan pe he's been accusing you, and a lot of that stuff is also happening. So kabhi, matlab, you guys came together in the dome and all of that also happened. समझ में नहीं आप लोग दोस्त हो या नहीं हो?
Okay. सी रोडीज में जो हो गया वो तो हो गया.
वहाँ पे भी सेम गैंग में थे.
वहाँ पे भी सेम गैंग में थे, एंड आई थिंक मुझे वहाँ तो मतलब मैंने प्रूव भी कर दिया कि मैं डिसलॉयल थी नहीं, कौन था ये भी मैंने प्रूव कर दिया. तो अब हुआ ये था कि व्हेन आई री एंटर्ड इन रोडीज, ही सेड सॉरी टू मी, एंड यू नो आई फील लाइक जब सामने वाला आपसे सॉरी बोल देता है, मान जाता है चीजें, तो फिर उसके बाद लड़ने का
कोई सेंस नहीं बनता.
But we were not in touch. I mean, that friendship lasted till roadies, whatever it happened. But for me, Sachin and Rishabh were always like friends. Matlab, but ये कि they never initiated to, you know, speak to me and all. Especially Sachin. Rishabh से तो थोड़ी बहुत बात हुई थी. But I also understand that Sachin keeps traveling, do his work and all that. So हमारी कुछ बात हो नहीं पाई. Then we met inside this one. So honestly, when I saw Sachin and Digvijay, it just felt like they're my friends. You know, you feel that intuition that, you know, these are your people. Even though whatever Sachin did, I'm pretty sure that he didn't do it deliberately to, put some label on me or something. It's a situational kind of it's situational that, you react onto certain things. It's a game, you are irritated. So I think when I entered Splitsvilla, I didn't have that grudges. I mean, of course, I felt bad that he did it, but then I did not hold it for that long कि नहीं यार ये तो show में भी continue करना है. And anyway, he was sorry about it. Then initially, somewhere Sachin, I and Digvijay aligned so much with each other that we were sure that, we are each other's priority. That's what I think. I don't know about them, but for me, they were the priority. And what happened was when that dome wala thing happened, so I felt bad because Sachin never asked me to take a stand for him. Neither Digvijay has said before. But I had always been there for them. And in the last dome, when Digvijay was in the dumping session, he told me that, Naira, तुझे मेरे लिए stand लेना पड़ेगा और लड़ना पड़ेगा. So, एक friendship होती है ना, आप expect करते हो. He was expecting कि नायरा मेरे लिए लड़ेगी. क्यों? Because हम दोस्त हैं वैसे. हम जन्मों के दोस्त नहीं है, but जितने दिन में हमारी bonding हुई वो ऐसी हुई कि हम तीनों एक दूसरे के लिए लड़ेंगे. Sorry, that's spice. So, with Sachin and Digvijay, I did whatever I could. I mean, Sachin के केस में तो कि वो courtroom वाला जो session हुआ था उसमें, I mean, whatever I said,
that was a thing.
Yeah, I mean, it was needed because हर बार लड़की के character assassination की बातें होती है.
And no one stood for you.
Guy. Yeah, no one stood up for me. Neither Sachin nor Digvijay. But मैंने उस चीज को भी दिल से नहीं लगाया कि चलो कोई बात नहीं यार, वो situation ऐसी थी. अंदर मुझे बुरा लगा because चलो ठीक है, Digvijay said that कि उस point में उसको समझ में नहीं है कौन सही था कौन गलत था. But जब आपको सामने वाला बोल रहा है कि तू लड़का होती तो मैं ऐसा कर देता, तब why were you quiet? उसके बाद भी जब next morning थी, I was fighting with Shivit, I was fighting with Akriti. You could see there is no Sachin, there is no Digvijay. But whenever something is happening with them, especially Sachin, I'm always there. I don't know, with Sachin तो I feel like वो हम Tom and Jerry वाली हमारी वो है कि we fight, we do whatever, but we cannot stay apart from each other when it comes to show. Outside show, I don't know. So,
are you guys still friends like outside show?
Yeah, I mean, with Digvijay, I still have a question mark. With Sachin, I'm pretty sure. I mean, we do not call each other or something, but I know that he's a genuine guy. If I'll call him for something, he'll be there for me, and I am so definitely there for Digvijay and Sachin both.
Okay.
So, कहाँ थे हम मैं टॉपिक से ही
नहीं प्रॉब्लम क्या चल रहा है बेसिकली हाँ फ्रेंड्स वगैरह
सो बेसिकली पूरे शो में ही आपको ये ट्रायो ऐसा दिखेगा कि मतलब लड़ रहे झगड़ रहे दोस्त बन रहे बट आई थिंक दैट्स द ब्यूटी ऑफ अ फ्रेंडशिप
बट देयर इज नथिंग worse it's going to happen in show with Digvijay and Sachin na?
I cannot give you the spoilers, but all I'm saying is, our friendship is going to be about the real friendship that you have in life. I'm sure that you must have fought with your school friends or whatever, and I'm sure that you must have gone for non-talking terms for several months, but then suddenly you get back. So I think that's how it is going to be with Digvijay. I think there are certain things that I'm expecting from him, and that's what I'm not getting as a friend. So I'm keeping a distance from him unless and until he realizes that what pissed me off, and he... I mean, accept what he did, but then I think till that time, I'll just make a distance. That's it.
Got it. That was the second most important question that we had. Moving on to the next one, we have El Diablo Ka Boom. Okay. This is again one of the Bhucholakias.
So I'm not feeling the spice, but I got a running nose for sure now.
Oh, maybe because of the cold or because of the spice?
Bye. I have a sinus, so.
Oh.
Yeah. Nothing spicy.
Good.
Is it normal?
Let's reach it. Yeah. Probably you have a good spice tolerance. Okay. Again, one of the most important ones. Maybe it's a stage for you to kind of clarify that as well. There are the thing that a lot of people had been accusing you about Shwet's parents.
Yeah.
That you had said, and you never got a chance or an actual opportunity that you could actually clarify. Yeah. And that's a huge allegation that a lot of people are making on you. And I guess Shwet also has, because of that only, he has kind of, character assassinated you.
I don't, honestly, I mean, I feel like character assassination is a big word. So I really don't want to entertain that word only because I don't know whether it was character assassination or whether whatever it was. I mean, I don't want to name that, but I feel like
So what actually happened? I mean, that situation.
Basically, in like roadies, Lekha and Akriti, both of these girls were in touch with Shivit before the show, and something happened related to his mother. Some sort of I don't know. I really don't have the clarity. So, and also I feel like, I mean, I need to choose the right words because again, people misunderstand it. So they told me that he lied about his mother's decease.
Okay.
That's what Akriti and Lekha has told me. So in one of the lives with Akriti, we were talking about, we were like, because just before that live, somebody threatened me to put an acid on my face. So I was in a very different zone. I was crying, I was bursting with emotion, and I was literally with a hatred that because of this man, I'm getting all that shit. So in that particular live, I said that, he is the kind of a guy who can lie about his mother's disease. I never said that, I never mentioned cancer. I never mentioned tumor. I never mentioned death. I mean, I have the live also right now. You can have a look and you can check it. I mean, it's there on the internet. But that moment, what happened was before Shivit and I went on the courtroom, though that Akriti Sachin happened, and just because of the thing I revealed, everybody had put fingers on me that I am saying certain thing about a girl. I never said that she's a bad person or she cheated or something. It started from Sachin's past, and I knew something about Akriti's past. So for my friend, I stood up. But till that time, everybody, thought wrong about me. So that somehow made me feel like there is nobody for me. And maybe I am looking like a bad person. So already I was morally down. And then the moment I reached to that point, I was very confident. To be honest, I was very confident because I knew that I haven't done anything wrong that this guy would have any allegation against me. But, I mean, it came out of shock when, first of all, he said that she kissed me without consent. So, I mean, he said she kissed me without consent. And my reaction was, what? And, quickly he said that not on the lips, but on the cheeks. So I was like, I mean,
And also you slept with him, that is also, he said, and then after that he was saying that,
So basically I want to clarify, I don't want to, audience to think wrong of him as well. We both were not talking about intimating or something like that. We both were talking that, sleeping next to someone, that's it. So when he said that about the kiss thing, I mean, it came out of so much shock to me because, my mind wasn't able to process it because, see, when he said that there was nothing in between us, it took me almost 10 months to keep saying the audience it was not friendship, it was not how it came on camera. Now imagine another lie and another months of justifying. So I literally, from inside, I gave up that I cannot win from him. The moment I'll say something else, he'll say something else, and I'll keep on saying, and everybody was with him, the whole villa. Even my friends were not with me in that. So I knew that whatever points I'll make, it will come out as lie only in front of people. And before I could process that thing, I mean, another allegation comes about the mother thing. And I think that courtroom episode wasn't being shot or, I don't know, edited well or, I don't know, shown properly. I don't know, because there were clips from between, from here and there. I did say that if you feel bad that I said something about your mother, I'm sorry. I said sorry to him. It was not shown on the camera. And because, see, I understand, even if it's misunderstanding, whatever it is, if somebody is on the peak of his voice, about his mother.
You cannot put your point actually.
And he was not letting me talk also. He was not listening. He was not letting me talk. And at the same time, I mean, I was trying to put certain points. So Sunny ma'am was like, कुछ नया है तो बोलो. I was like, it's not a script. मैं पॉइंट बना के नहीं बोल सकती हूँ. जो सच्चाई है मैं वही बोलूंगी. हो सकता है रिपीटेटिव चीजें होंगी क्योंकि मैं फिल्टर लेके नहीं बोल रही हूँ ना. जो मुझे याद आ रहा है मैं.
And it's a very big topic.
Yeah, but I felt like, I mean, maybe I'm wrong, but I felt like मुझे यहाँ से भी नहीं बोलने दिया गया. सामने से भी constant एकदम पीक पे वॉइस चल रही थी और मतलब मैं बोलने की भी कोशिश कर रही हूँ ना. सामने वाला मुझे रोक रहा है. तो वो ऐसा पॉइंट हो गया था ना. और मतलब मेरे को समझ नहीं आ रहा था मैं वो किस वाली चीज प्रोसेस करूं या मैं मदर वाली चीज प्रोसेस करूं या मैं ये प्रोसेस करूं कि मेरी तरफ कोई खड़ा नहीं है या मैं ये प्रोसेस करूं कि होस्ट भी मुझे बोलने नहीं दे रहे. मैं क्या बोलूं इस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम पे. आई मीन, आई फील लाइक वो टॉपिक इतना सेंसिटिव था ना. मैं चाहती तो मैं भी चिल्ला सकती थी, चीख सकती थी. पहले भी किया, रोडीज में जब री एंटर हुई थी तो तब लड़ी थी ना. तो ऐसा नहीं कि हिम्मत नहीं थी, बट इट्स लाइक वो टॉपिक इतना सेंसिटिव था ना कि अगर मैं बोलती ना तो वो और गंदा हो जाता. एंड कोई इंसान अगर अपनी मदर को लेकर इतना ज्यादा वो है तो मैंने सोचा था बाद में जब कभी टाइम आएगा आई क्लैरिफाई या समथिंग. और मैंने सॉरी भी बोला, बट वो आई थिंक अलग ही जोन में था. एंड टू बी ऑनेस्ट, इवन दो वी हैव सॉर्टेड इट आउट, आई फील लाइक इट वाज अ गुड मूव टू डाइवर्ट द टॉपिक, बिकॉज एलिगेशंस इस चीज के बारे में कभी थे ही नहीं. एलिगेशंस उसका था कि मैंने फेम के लिए यूज किया. मेरा काउंटर यही था कि अगर मुझे फेम के लिए यूज करना होता तो मेरे पास बहुत ऑप्शंस थे. गैरी था, ऋषभ था, जो लोग ऑलरेडी स्प्लिट्सविला से आए हुए. मैं ऐसे इंसान को क्यों पकड़ूंगी जिसको कोई जानता नहीं है, और जिस इंसान को मेरा नाम पता था शो में आने से पहले, मैं एंड तक भी उसका नाम गलत ही ले रही हूँ. आई हैड नो आइडिया. बट ये है ना कि हमारी इंडस्ट्री में ना ऐसा होता है कि जब कोई अपनी कहानी बताने की कोशिश करता है ना, और अगर आप एक एक्टर हो या आप इस इंडस्ट्री से हो, तो उसको फुटेज का नाम दिया जाता है, ड्रामा दिया जाता है. बट अगर सेम इंसान सेम कहानी टीवी पे नहीं बता रहा होगा, तब फुटेज वर्ड नहीं आएगा. तो आई थिंक वो पूरा जो सेशन है वो बहुत गलत वे में डाइवर्ट हो गया. मैं अभी भी बोलूंगी, मैं पहले भी ये बोलूंगी कि वो जो एलिगेशंस लगाए थे वो मैंने बोले ही नहीं है. और उसने इतना कॉन्फिडेंटली बोला कि लाइव पढ़िए, लाइव देख लेना. तो एक तो क्या, वो बहुत पुरानी बात थी, तो मुझे भी एकदम 100% श्योरिटी नहीं थी कि भाई मैंने एग्जैक्टली बोला क्या, बिकॉज वो एक रेज में, एक इमोशन में चीज बोली. और जब मैंने घर वापस आई, मैंने वो लाइव ओपन करी, मुझे लगा मे बी मैंने मिस कर दिया. मैंने अपने सारे दोस्तों को भेजी कि मैंने ये वर्ड्स कहाँ बोले, मुझे कोई बताओ. दो अलग जगह पर वो लाइव डली हुई थी, एंड कहीं पे मुझे वर्ड्स नहीं मिले, कहीं पे भी नहीं जहाँ पे मैंने ऐसा कुछ बोला हो. तो आई थिंक वो जो कोर्ट रूम वाला ड्रामा था वो बहुत गलत वे में चला गया, मेरे अगेंस्ट में चला गया. बट समवेयर आई एम ऑल्सो ग्रेटफुल अबाउट दैट, बिकॉज उस एपिसोड में मैं ऐसे गिरी हूँ और उसके बाद मैं ऐसे उठी हूँ. दैट वॉज नीडेड. जब आपको बहुत लंबी उड़ान लेनी होती है ना लाइफ में, तो आपका उतना जोर से नीचे गिरना जरूरी है. और उस दिन के बाद मुझे इतना गंदा पैनिक अटैक आया, इतना कुछ हुआ कि मुझे लगा ना मेरी कहानी खत्म, बिकॉज मुझे ये पता था कि अब मैं अपनी कहानी कैसे बताऊंगी लोगों को. यहाँ पे तो मेरे ऊपर एलिगेशंस लग गए, बट थैंक गॉड वहां से चीजें बदल गई.
Okay, so are you ready for the next one?
Yeah.
You've already crossed 3 and we're on to the 4th. This is Ene ka Bhoot Jalak Diya, and this is just like kind of chutney. So, yeah.
I'm just worried about my nose. Rest taste is okay. वाह नायरा, तुझे तो मिर्ची लग ही नहीं रही है. Nice.
Okay, but mirchidar questions तो हो ही रहे हैं.
I was expecting that.
Okay. So this is regarding कोर्ट रूम में, जो कोर्ट रूम का जो सेशन हुआ था उसमें आकृति ने whatever जो भी आपके ऊपर एलिगेशंस लगाए थे, तो उसने we just wanted to know what happened in courtroom with Akriti and all.
Okay, so I think थोड़ा तो अभी मैं भी भूल गई हूँ एपिसोड, पर जितना आई कैन रिकॉल, जब ये लाइव वाली बात हो रही थी तो
आपने जो भी एलिगेशंस लगाए थे श्वेत पे भी और आकृति पे भी लगाए थे, तो उसने उसको एकदम झूठा ठहराया था कि नहीं, शी इज यू आर लाइंग एंड देन एवरीथिंग इज राइट. दैट इज व्हाट शी सेड इन द लाइव. बट देन यू सेड दैट कि मेरे जो भी लाइव में ऐसा कुछ बोला ही नहीं, उसने नहीं, ये गलत बोल रही है.
करेक्ट. सो दैट्स व्हाट आई मीन. सी, अभी मुझे इस चीज को लेकर कुछ बोलने की जरूरत नहीं, बिकॉज अभी जितने एपिसोड्स आ चुके, सबको दिख ही चुका है कि एक तरफ मैडम कुछ और बोलती है, दूसरी तरफ कुछ और जाता है. अपने पॉडकास्ट में, किसी के पॉडकास्ट में ये बोलती है कि घर वाले तो अलाउ नहीं करेंगे, और यहाँ देखो क्या चल रहा है. तो यहाँ से तो प्रिटी श्योर है ही कि वो खुद ही अपनी बातों पर स्टैंड लेती नहीं है. तो ये जो लाइव थी श्वेत वाली, ये मैं अभी भी बोलती हूँ डंके की चोट पे कि ये लाइव पड़ी है, उसमें देख सकते हैं कि इट वाज आकृति, एंड इट वाज आकृति's प्लान टू गो लाइव. शी टोल्ड मी, क्योंकि उसको श्वेत उस टाइम में कुछ बोल रहा था कि मैं तेरे चैट्स लीक कर दूंगा, तो इसने खुद बोला था. एंड ऑफ कोर्स शी वांटेड टू क्लियर हर इमेज, तो उसने मुझे बोला कि चल लाइव चलते हैं, एंड आई डोंट वांट टू यूज दैट वर्ड, बट मारते हैं जाके. तो वी बोथ वेंट लाइव एंड शी वाज आल्सो टॉकिंग अबाउट हिज अपब्रिंगिंग, हिज पेरेंट्स एंड ऑल दैट. एंड मेरे को तो बहुत बाद में पता चला है अबाउट द डिसीज और व्हाटएवर सारी चीजें. ये सब तो शुरू करने वाली तो आकृति थी ना, आकृति से ही बात हुई थी. एंड आई थिंक रोडीज में भी ऐसा कुछ डिस्कशन हुआ था जिसमें श्वेत वाज एक्सपेक्टिंग आकृति टू कॉल हिम फॉर हिज मदर और समथिंग, वो दिखाया नहीं गया. तो ये तो इन सब चीजों से कनेक्टेड तो एक्चुअली आकृति थी, बट आई वाज लाइक उस टास्क में जस्ट बिकॉज मैंने उसकी चीजें एक्सपोज कर दी, मैंने कुछ चीजें बता दी, तो वो श्वेत की साइड हो गई और उसने सारी चीजों में बोल दिया कि नहीं ये गलत है. ना आई वाज लाइक ब्रो, आई मीन दुश्मनी करनी भी ना तो भी एथिक्स पे करो ना, सच पे करो. इट्स ओके, मेरे फ्रेंड्स हैं बट है, लेकिन ऐसा नहीं है ना कि आप बिल्कुल चीजें पलट दोगे. अगर तुम भी उसमें इन्वॉल्व थे तो एक्सेप्ट इट. शी वाज आल्सो अ पार्ट ऑफ द लाइफ. शी आल्सो सेड सर्टेन थिंग्स अगेंस्ट हिम. आई डोंट नो, जस्ट बिकॉज आई सेड थिंग्स शी जस्ट वांटेड टू टेक अ रिवेंज एंड दैट्स व्हाट शी डिड. आई मीन ओके.
Yeah, we'll put the live ka link as well in the description. Whoever wants to watch it can go ahead.
Please do watch it.
Yep. Okay, so are you ready for the next one?
Yeah.
Okay, so next one is Tabasco ka Scorpion hot sauce. How do you feel? Spicy लग रहा है. इसका स्मेल?
स्मेल बहुत खराब है. नकली सॉसेस रखी हैं क्या ये?
अभी आएगा पता चला.
अभी ना ऑडियंस बोलेंगे कि नायरा के केस में ना दूसरी रखी है, इसको मिर्ची नहीं लग रही है.
करते हैं. आई कैन बेट यू ऑन यू कि जब तक यहाँ पे पहुंचोगे ना सारी चीजें हालत खराब.
मेरी सिर्फ नाक बह रही है बस, और कुछ मुझे ऐसा
अभी आंसू कान से धुआं सब निकलना शुरू होएगा.
आई थिंक वी आर ऑन 5th स्टेज राइट नाउ.
वी आर ऑन 5th, यस.
ओके, ये थोड़ा सा स्पाइसी है.
ओके देखो, ओके ये तो हमारा बहुत सीरियस टॉपिक अभी तक का हो गया. टेल अस one of the hanky panky stuff that has happened in Villa which no one knows about, and वो कौन थे, मतलब वो वगैरह. So anything which is very extremely hanky panky stuff जो वो obviously everyone knows.
यार एक इंसिडेंट है बट अभी एपिसोड्स आए नहीं है तो मैं बता नहीं सकती, लोग रिलेट नहीं कर पाएंगे.
वो एयर होगा या नहीं होगा?
एयर तो होगा फॉर श्योर बट कैसे बताओ. लेट मी थिंक ऑफ समथिंग एल्स. ऐसा कुछ और
बंदों के नाम मत बताओ, लेकिन ऐसे बता दो कि वो ऐसे वाली लड़की, ये ऐसा वाला लड़का, उन दोनों के बीच.
मैं नाम बताऊंगी ना तो लोगों को मजा आएगा एक्चुअली, क्योंकि
काइंड ऑफ पीपल.
लेट मी थिंक. एक ही इंसान है जो सबसे फन सारी चीजें करता था, वो था सचिन. सो बताओ.
एकदम एक्सट्रीम यार, बताओ ना यार, एवरीवन वांट्स टू नो.
सो बेसिकली सोचने तो पहले बताना चाहिए कि नहीं.
बताना चाहिए. यस बताना चाहिए. इंट्यूशन यही कह रहा है. यस नायरा बताना चाहिए.
सो बेसिकली आई विल नॉट नेम इट बट सचिन एक चीज करता था कि वो रात में कहीं सोता था और सुबह जैसे कैमराज आते थे तो वो कैमराज के आने से पहले भाग जाता था वहां से. और लिटरली कैमरा किसी कैमरा में वो भागते हुए पकड़ा गया, एक रूम से दूसरे रूम. और एक टाइम ऐसा हो गया था कि उसको ढूंढ रहे, सचिन कहाँ चला गया. सबको था कि इस रूम में होगा. अब पता चलेगा किसके रूम में था वो, मैं नाम नहीं लेना चाहती, बट वहां से वो भाग के कहीं गया और पूरा विला ढूंढा सबने, कहाँ गया. और इतने में अरबाज के पास जाते, उससे पूछा सचिन कहाँ है. अरबाज उठता और कहता ये रहा पीछे. मतलब वो लिटरली ऐसा अरबाज बताता है, आई डोंट नो, कि वो सिकुड़ के सोता है अंदर. तो अरबाज इतना बड़ा बिल्कुल छुप जाता है अंदर कहीं पे. तो वो अगर आई थिंक कैमरे पे आएगा तो सही, एंड पीपल विल गो क्रेजी आफ्टर वॉचिंग हिम रनिंग फ्रॉम हेयर एंड देयर जस्ट बिकॉज ही डजंट वांट टू गेट कॉट. दैट्स इट.
तो हैंकी पैंकी हो कहाँ पे रहता, किसके साथ,
ये नहीं बता सकती.
ओके हु डू यू थिंक किसके साथ हैंकी पैंकी हो रहा था? कौन लोग थे?
Anything, yeah.
Okay, so are you ready for the next one?
Yeah.
Okay, so moving on to the next one. ये है हमारा स्प्रिग का भूत झुलकिया, एंड जैसे डिस्क्लेमर ये इंडिया का हॉटेस्ट हॉट सॉस है. We can take a proper bite. Pepperonis.
थोड़ा सा गले में लगा बट ठीक है.
अगर नेक्स्ट वाला ना हम लोग को थोड़ा सा डिप करना पड़ेगा.
ठीक है.
ओके, तो इसमें मैं कुछ इमोशंस बताऊंगा आपको. उन इमोशंस के अगेंस्ट पे यू हैव टू टेल मी वो किस पे बेस्ट सूट करता है. ओके, सुपर हैप्पी,
I think Rigdon.
कंफ्यूज्ड,
Rigdon.
एंगर इश्यूज,
शिवेद.
शाय.
शाय कौन था? आई थिंक युवराज.
ठरकी.
ठरकी कौन है यार? नहीं एडी ठरकी नहीं है, वो सिर्फ कशिश के लिए जो है, ऐसे ठरकी नहीं किसी के लिए. आई थिंक ऐसा कोई भी नहीं था. मुझे लगता है सचिन को मैं ठरकी नहीं बोलूंगी बट दिल पे एक आशिक बोल सकती हूँ.
ओके, कॉन्फिडेंट.
कॉन्फिडेंट और दिग्विजय.
काम.
आई थिंक अरबाज.
बोर.
बोरिंग तो ऐसा कोई समझ में नहीं आ रहा. आई थिंक मैं युवराज को बोलूंगी बिकॉज युवराज और मेरा ज्यादा कुछ कन्वर्सेशन हो नहीं पाया. मे बी इफ आई गेट टू नो हिम मोर ही मस्ट बी सम एंटरटेनिंग गाय, बट इतनी बात नहीं हुई.
रोमांटिक.
अगर गेम के लिए रोमांटिक बोला जाए कि भाई दुनिया जहाँ का गोद में उठाना, गोल घुमाना, सब करना, तो हमारे अरबाज जी तो बिल्कुल क्या ही कहें. बट अगर जेन्युइनली बोला जाए तो आई थिंक हर्ष, मतलब जैसे वो रुशाली करता है वो, आई थिंक दैट्स रोमांटिक.
डम्ब.
I think Arbaz, because I mean, yeah, for whatever reasons, we all know it.
Cunning.
Akriti.
Okay.
अब
Feel the
थोड़ा
spice?
spicy लग रहा है.
You still have powers. You can take
No,
one of
no,
the
no.
powers if in case you want
My
to.
agenda is कि मैं complete कर लूँ उसके बिना, but let's see. अभी थोड़ा tough लग रहा है.
Yeah. Okay, so moving on to the next one. ये है हमारा zombie apocalypse hot sauce. So this is on 7th. How's it? Good. Okay. So this is kill, marry, hook up, and date.
Okay.
So Addy.
Since I don't believe in marriages and hookup, so I'm left with kill and date. So kill.
Adit.
Date.
Aniket.
He's like a brother. Kill.
Arbaz.
Definitely kill. 10 times kill.
Digvijay.
काश यहाँ पे फ्रेंडशिप वाला होता, बट डेट तो नहीं. किल.
Harsh.
डेट.
Jaswant.
डेट.
Lakshay.
डेट.
Sachin.
किल.
Shwet.
किल.
Yuvraj.
किल.
Divyansh.
किल.
Ayushman.
I mean, I think date. Yeah. इतना भी बुरा नहीं है.
Rigden.
Then kill.
Rahul.
Who is Rahul?
Rahul. Rapper.
Oh, Daulat Raja. I know him through that name. Kill. Kill.
Okay. Oh, that's it? So although जहाँ पे date बोला है ना, okay, DM करना, you know it, कहाँ पे करना.
Guys, I'm done with dates. I'm done with marriages. Please, I just want to be single. And I think अब लोगों को ढूंढने की जरूरत है मेरे लिए. मैं ढूंढूंगी नहीं अब अपने लिए.
Okay. Okay. So are you ready for the next one?
Yeah.
Okay. This is the bomb beyond insanity hot sauce, and this is, and you got to take a proper dip of it. Perfect. Cheers. That's it. Time has come.
छी गड़वा ये तो.
This is that moment of the episode.
You. तीखा नहीं लग रहा, but कड़वा इतना. I feel like pukish. Oh.
Yeah, I'm dustbin right there.
A tissue. So bad. It's so bad in taste. Ew. ऐसा मन कर रहा है कि पानी पी लो. Because of the taste.
I mean, you can. I mean, you still have 3 powers. कोई बुरा नहीं है, कोई harm नहीं है यार.
नहीं यार, अगर ये मेरा टास्क होता तो. चल नायरा, let's go.
Okay, and this, इसमें, in case if you lose this one, you'll have to take a dip of the sauce again.
Okay.
Okay, you have to guess the cities where these contestants are from.
Okay. Wait a second.
I guess you said it too early कि spice नहीं लग रही है. There's no harm in taking the powers. I mean, I'm just telling you.
Yeah.
Thanak.
Dubai.
Ruru.
She's from Nepal. Which you don't know, I guess.
Yeah. मेरे को तो दिल्ली मालूम था.
दिल्ली में रहती है.
Harsh.
Delhi.
No.
Lucknow.
No.
Yeah, he's from Lucknow. Kanpur.
Sachin. Specifics.
Just a second. Sachin. Haryana.
ठीक है. क्या मतलब स्टेट हो गया फरीदाबाद. दिग्विजय.
Chandigarh. Yeah, he's from Chandigarh.
Oh, okay. इंटरनेट में गुड़गांव था. Addy.
Delhi.
Akriti.
Lucknow.
Rushali.
Ajmer.
Wow. Rigden.
He's also from Nepal, I guess. सब लोग गाँव का नाम बताया था. सिक्किम.
No. Okay, next one. He's from Kalimpong.
उसने ये सब कभी बताया
West Bengal.
नहीं show पे. He's never told this.
Arbaz. You should know.
Aurangabad.
Yes.
She keeps talking about Aurangabad, so yeah.
Yeah, out of 10, you were able to say more than 5. So you cleared.
9, I said correct.
No, I mean, out of 10, you were able to give at least 7. 7 correct.
3 तो गलत थे ही नहीं.
कालिम्पोंग वाला और गुड़गांव वाला वहाँ पर ठीक है. Yes, 8 clear थे. So yeah, you have cleared this one.
No, because he's from Chandigarh, not Gurgaon.
Okay, so I guess my script team needs to.
Then मैं ये चीज़ कभी शो पे नहीं बताया. I can bet on it.
Kalimpong.
Yeah.
Good, very nice. How do you feel? Good, make it.
No.
Take the power, no problem.
No. You're on number 9, right?
Yeah. On to the next one.
My head is spinning. Why?
Yeah, it's kind of that. It happens.
And my face is like
it
vibrating.
It will happen. It will happen. The next one is Bravado ka Anko Masala. Okay? It's very normal like this. It will go in just 5 minutes, okay? But you're already very sport. You have faced one of the toughest questions. They have cleared the bomb. We are on to the 9th one. Just one more left after this. And
It's so weird. My head is spinning.
okay. Cheers. Take the power still.
Quickly.
मैं कुछ कपल्स के नाम बताऊंगा आपको बताने कि उनमें से कौन डोमिनेट करता है. ठीक है, आदि और कशिश में कौन डोमिनेट?
Kashish.
श्वेत और अनिका,
Shivit.
यशवंत और आकृति,
Akriti.
यू एंड अरबाज,
Arbaz. Sometimes Arbaz. I think most of the time Arbaz.
सचिन इशिता,
Nobody dominates. Equal.
दिग्विजय उन्नति,
देख मुझे डोमिनेट नहीं करता है बट ही स्मार्ट जब डिसीजन मेकिंग होती है तो.
रुशाली एंड हर्ष.
आई थिंक सब्जेक्टिव है. रुशाली डोमिनेटिंग है. वो कहीं ना कहीं मुझे लगता है इमोशनली डोमिनेटिंग है. हर्ष वोकली बहुत डोमिनेटिंग है.
ओके, क्या आप बता सकते हो कि अभी नेक्स्ट जैसे ही शुभी आई है क्या होने वाला है?
धमाका होने वाला है और घमासान होने वाला है और बहुत लड़ाई झगड़े होने वाले हैं. रोना धोना ड्रामा बहुत कुछ होने वाला है.
Okay, this one is clear. We are on to the last one.
No powers used.
No powers used, but yeah, this is again one of the strongest one.
Yeah, okay, let's go. Everything is blurry. When it was vibrating. Now everything is vibrating. Also, I can't see anything properly. My head is spinning. It's just going left and right. Let's go.
Okay, so we are on to the last one. This is Mad Dog 357. Oh, fuck. Okay. For this, you have to rate these connections on a scale of 1 to 10 on the basis of how fake they are.
Okay.
Fuck. Rushali and Harsh.
I'm still not sure. मतलब I feel it's 50-50 because show के according मुझे fake लगता था. अभी मुझे real लगता है. 50-50.
Shwet, Anika.
Again, I would say the same thing. Show में मुझे completely fake लगा था. Completely. अभी मुझे ऐसा लगता है अनिका की side से it's real.
यशवंत आकृति.
Fake. Completely fake.
Devangini and Divyansh.
Absolutely real.
Adi Kashish.
Fake नहीं बोलूँगी. Convenience का connection बोलूँगी.
सचिन इशिता.
Convenience का connection.
दिग्विजय उन्नति.
उन्नति की तरफ से तो आई एम नॉट श्योर बिकॉज आपको आगे शो में पता चलेगा कुछ चीज़ें जो मैंने बोली है. बट दिग्विजय मुझे लगता है आई थिंक अटैच हो गया होगा बिकॉज ऑफकोर्स इतने दिन उसने दिए हैं. दिग्विजय की तरफ से फेक नहीं है.
एंड यू एंड अरबाज.
मेरी साइड से तो फेक नहीं था. इनिशियली आई थिंक इट वाज ऑल फॉर गेम बट ग्रेजुअली आई गॉट अटैच्ड. बट अरबाज की तरफ से फेक फेक फेक.
Perfect! That is it!
Without any powers used.
So who do you think from Splitsvilla should do this?
I think Digvijay should come for sure. Harsh, Rushali. और मुझे लगता है हर्ष को सब ट्राई करने चाहिए because he's very sweet. So he should definitely try all this. बाकी ठीक है मतलब I genuinely want कि हर्ष तो ये try करे.
Definitely. And Jaswant and Anika, Akriti.
Your choice.
For the first time in all our episodes, you have done the entire show without even taking even a single power.
Wow, am I the first one?
You are the first one actually to do that. And that actually requires an applause. Perfect. Perfect. And for you guys, thank you so much for watching. Go ahead and subscribe us on YouTube, follow us on Instagram, follow us on Facebook, whatever. And Naira ko fela do har jagah. Ekdam positive vibes everywhere. Go ahead and follow her on Insta. And for anyone who thinks that they can actually ace this spice challenge, go ahead and comment us and DM us that if you'll be able to do that, we might call you. And who knows, let you struggle with this. Shabak hair. Let's see you again